So can you communicate with anybody in English?
Yes, sir, I can communicate in English with anybody.
With everybody?
Yes, sir, with everybody.
Yeah. First of all, you tell me that why did you decide to learn English?
Sir, I decided to learn English because I want to speak with everyone in English. It is my dream, and with the help of English, I will communicate with anyone, with everyone in English. When I will go to another city, so I will communicate with everyone in English. That's why I decided to learn English.
Okay, so what is your father's occupation?
So my father's occupation is driving.
Okay, so is he driver? Yeah. Okay, and can you tell me something about Indo-City?
Yes, sir. And I live in Indore, and Indore is a very cleanest city of India. And Indore is a very famous and cleanest city of India. And there are many places.
Yeah.
And there are many places for visit in Indore.
Yeah, there are many places. Okay, I know. I also know very well. So can you speak something about Meghdut Garden?
Yes, sir.
Do you know Meghdut Garden? Where is it?
Sir, Meghdut Garden is at nearby Vijayanagar.
Yeah.
And that is very good garden in Indore.
When did you go there last time?
Sir, I didn't remember, but I think I went over there in December.
In December.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tomorrow would you like to go there?
No, sir, I would not like to go there because we have to go to Toronto Water Park, so I will not to go over there.
Okay, but I am thinking that we should not go to Tornado Water Park. That is not Toronto, that is a Tornado. Okay, Tornado Water Park because it is a very far from here. It is 35 kilometers and.
Sir, but I am very excited. That's why you have to take me over there.
Okay, but you know the money is also very too
Sir,
much.
I will give you.
Yeah, you will give me, but I'm thinking that we should go somewhere else. Do you know Mahindra Blue Water Park? Have you ever gone there?
No, sir, I have not.
So that is also very good place for me and for you because at that place which we have never gone, so that is a very good for us.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. I decided to change my mind. Okay, if we will go to Tornado Water Park, so we will have to hire a taxi or we will have to hire a rickshaw. Then we will have to go there, and I'm not sure that people will go. Okay, so I think we should save money. What is the money? Do you know? We should save money or not?
So we should save money, and there are many types.
Yeah. So okay, tell me, how can we earn the money?
So we can earn money in a many way. We can do job and we can earn money. We can earn money by YouTube. We can earn money by Instagram, and there are many apps which we can
Use.
Yes.
Which we can use and we can earn money.
Yes, sir.
What do you understand by business?
Sir, I don't understand.
Business. Don't you know about business?
No, sir.
Yeah. Business. Okay. So what is the difference between job and business?
So there are
Now let me tell you. Yeah, there is a slight difference between the job and slight means thoda sa. Okay. Business it means that is our own worker.
Yes.
There is no our boss in our business. Suppose for example this is my business, so I don't have any boss. Nobody can instruct me. Nobody can order me that you have to do this work, that you have to please them or you don't have to please him. Nobody will say me like this. Okay, because I am owner of this class because this is my business. But in the job there would be a boss, there would be a manager who will scold me, who will explain me about their products, about their business, about their jobs requirement, everything. So there is a difference. Okay, if I don't want to teach you today, so I will say to all of you, go back to your home because I am not in the mood. But in the job I can't say like this. In the job I will have to do work. I will have to give my precious time to the job. Otherwise I will not get the salary. Okay, that is not my personal issue. Okay, that is the company's problem that I will have to give my precious time over here. Yeah, so this is the difference. Which type of business can we do in our life? Do you have any idea about business?
No, sir, I don't have any idea. about
Okay,
business.
so let it be. We will not discuss on this topic. So do you know him?
No, sir, I don't know him.
He is a Sanskar. Am I right?
No,
Lokendra. He is a Lokendra. Yeah, he is a Lokendra. Yeah. Okay, what is education?
Sir, education is very important for us. Without education, we can't do job, we can't do anything, and it is very necessary for everyone, not for me, not for you. It is very necessary for everyone. Without it, we can't do good job, we can't earn much money. If we would not educated, so we have to do some other work.
Other work. Don't do like this, beta. Yeah. Okay, my dear son, don't do anything. Sit quietly. Sit quietly. अच्छे से बेटा, you are very smart boy. Sit quietly. Don't do anything. अभी मत करो कुछ भी. हम बाद में करेंगे. Wow, we have completed your homework. Great boy.
So we have to do like other work. We will be unable to do job in multinational company, and we will earn some money.
Okay, you tell me. What time do you get up in the morning?
Then I get up at 8 o'clock in the morning.
Every day.
Yes, sir.
And do you take exercise?
No, sir, I don't take exercise.
Why don't you take exercise?
Sir, because when I get up, then I clean my teeth, then I wash my face, then I do work with my mom, and after doing work with my mom, I take bath. After that, I go to Mehndi classes. Then
What time do you go to Mehndi classes?
Sir, at 1 o'clock.
Okay, and why are you learning how to make Mehndi?
Sir, because I want to learn that.
Why?
Sir, because I like to make Mehndi.
Okay.
And it is also my small dream
Yeah.
and it is good thing to make Mehndi. So my mom suggests me to go to Mehndi classes.
Very good. It's a good thing. We should learn something other. Yeah. Do you know him?
Yes, sir.
What's his name?
So his name is Yuvraj.
He is Yuvraj. And do you know him?
Yes, sir.
He is
He
very
is
pretty
Hardik.
boy.
He is Hardik.
He is happy. Okay. Yeah. So, do you want to say something about newspaper? What is newspaper and what are the benefits?
So there are many benefits of newspaper. We can read newspaper every day, and we can read English newspaper, so we can improve our English. So we should read English newspaper. Now I am learning English, so I should read English newspaper.
Okay.
So that I improve my
Yeah. So
English.
why should we improve our English?
So by improving our English, we should improve our English because English is very necessary in our life. With the help of English, we can do many things in our life. We can get job easily.
Yeah.
So we should improve our English.
Okay. If you will get a chance to teach me, would you like to teach me?
Yes, sir, I would like to teach you.
So what would you like to teach me?
Sir, I will teach you.
Don't try to teach me English because I know very well. Okay?
Yes.
Try to teach me something else. I want to learn how to make mehndi. So will you teach me?
Yes, sir, I will teach you.
How much fee will you take from me?
Sir, I will not take fee from
No, it is a very necessary. If you will not take fee, so how will I learn?
No, sir, because you are my teacher and
So it is, there is no relation.
I can't take a fee from you.
Yeah. Also, I will say that you are my student, so I will not take fee from you. But no. You will have to take fee from everybody.
Sir,
He is away. He is very small, but still he pays money. If he will not pay anything, so how will he learn? We should not get anything in free of cost. Am I right?
yes, sir,
Yeah.
you are right.
Yeah. We should never get anything in free of cost. Otherwise, we will have to pay a huge amount for that in future. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So take care. So thank you so much, and please let's give her big hand. ओके बेटा, why didn't you come yesterday? कल कहाँ थे आप?